Bridgeport Reservoir. Where else are you gonna get to fish in a place like this? Look at that. Mountains in the back, snow. Great stuff. Stuff of life. We're over here at Bridgeport, but we're not really fishing, but we're not catching, so
one or two, but I think most of them are right there. Because I don't see any pink here.
Might be some of the smaller ones.
oh, I just got tagged.
You did?
Yeah.
Told you they're there.
Look what I'm doing. I'm on that branch, so I'm using that branch too. If I catch, I'll just run over there, you know what I mean?
That's fucking hilarious.
Still eat it.
Mm-hmm. All right. No luck at Bridgeport Reservoir. We're here at Twin Lakes in Bridgeport. We've been here for about 20 minutes. No luck. So we're gonna see if we can at least catch one for the day. We're using a spoon, I believe, red and gold spoon. I'm not sure who makes these, but we'll see if we can get lucky. Weeds. A lot of weeds in the water. Yeah, by this point of the day, we hadn't caught any fish. We were pretty much just burnt out, walking in the snow all day and fishing in these conditions, cold conditions. You know, weren't ideal, but it's still managed to have fun, because in the end, that's what it's all about. It's just having fun, and not so much about the fishing. Catching fish is an added bonus to your experience, but yeah, this was pretty much it. Let's move on to the giveaway winner. All right, guys, the moment we've all been waiting for, the kit giveaway. So we had, I believe, 60. Well, it'll tell us right now. This is the kit you will be winning. All right. So we're gonna pick the random winner. All right, we got everything set up, and we will start the drawing. Good luck, guys. Hope somebody out there really enjoys this kit, because it's put me on several fish. So this kit, it's something that I've been working on for a while. So hopefully you guys enjoy, and good luck to everybody. Here we go. Fernando Perez, you will be the giveaway winner. Feel free to message me, email me. If you didn't win, don't worry. We will have more giveaways in the future. For now, this will be the winner, Fernando Perez. Congratulations. Hit me up in my email. It will be in the description below. Anyways, from what you guys just saw, not much luck in the Sierras. A lot of snow. The conditions are not ideal. So if you are going to fish, be advised, bring some warm clothes. Bring a lot of warm clothes, extra clothes, waders if you can. If you're going to be fishing somewhere, lakes. As of right now, I think the closure is coming up soon, so you might not be able to fish the lakes for much longer, but you still have 24-hour or 365 days of fishing at certain spots, like the Owens Valley and or certain sections of the Owens Valley. I'm not exactly sure. And Pleasant Valley Reservoir and Bishop, those places do stay open all year round. So yeah, just something to keep in mind if you guys are going up there. SoCal trout season is just starting. We still have a bunch of lakes that haven't stocked, but we'll be stocking this week. Keep a lookout. We will be making more videos. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.